Mass make linear IC trainer. In this trainer we have the DC variable supply, two numbers 0 to 2.5 volt DC, all the resistance bank, capacitance. Here we have the diodes, zener and LEDs present on the front panel. IC 555 and IC 741 is brought out with all pin sockets. Here we have the 16 pin diff socket. You can put any IC here. All the connection is brought out. Fixed power supply 15 plus 15 minus 15 plus 5 volt with respect to ground. Here we have the digital dual range meter, 2 volt range and 20 volt range DC. Potentiometer, push to on switch. In the manual we have provided the experiment, and you can do your experiment with this kit also. Here, as per the manual, you can do the experiments with this kit. First of all, you have to connect the supply as an input and set it for, suppose, 0.5 volt. Now patch the circuit for the IC 741 plus 15 volt, 7 number pin, negative 15, 4 number pin. The positive of supply firstly goes to 1 kilo ohm, then 1 kilo ohm to 2 number pin, then the same from 2 number pin, or from here choose feedback RF resistance, that is 10 kilo ohm, and the same goes to 6 number pin of IC 741, and the same goes to DPM 3 number pin of IC supply ground, and the same grounded with 15 volt supply, and the same 3 number pin goes to positive of supply, and after amplification here we get the 5 volt, because 6 number pin is here, 6 number pin is connected to negative. You have to connect for the negative, positive, ground to ground and positive, and here we get the inverting amplifier 741 experiment. In this way you can do your experiment also. Suppose you have to find the characteristics of LED. So what you have required: input supply, meter, voltmeter is present, and the for current you have to require extra optional multimeter having DC current range. For that you have to connect positive, choose any one of the resistance, and here I have choose optional my VC 8090D for the current meter, 20 milliampere, and I have to connect this resistance and meter in series with LED. other side of LED is goes to positive of the voltmeter and negative you can do this directly goes to in negative, and cause all the component is in series and voltmeter is in parallel. Here positive from the supply goes to voltmeter. Now this meter will give you the voltage and this meter will give the current. Take the readings voltmeter and current meter and make the graph. Slowly gradually increase the supply. Here we know around 1.5 volt the LED will start glowing and current will present in the multimeter. Around 1.5 volt, there is a little bit of light here and current is drawn. Take the value of voltage and current and make the graph for the LED characteristics. In this way you can do many of other experiments with this linear IC trainer. Thank you.